Presenting our premium stainless steel sink, designed to elevate your kitchen experience. Crafted from the finest stainless steel, this sink is built to last. Its smooth, non-porous surface, making cleaning a breeze. Notice the meticulously refined corners, no more grime buildup or hidden messes. The deep, spacious bowl accommodates even the largest pots and pans with ease. This innovative kitchen sink can be installed as either an undermount or drop-in sink. The protective grid prevents utensils and large scraps from accidentally slipping down the drain, saving you from plumbing headaches. The exquisitely designed luxury strainer seamlessly catches food particles while allowing water to flow freely. It adds a touch of elegance to your sink and makes cleaning effortless. We know a noisy kitchen can be disruptive. That's why our sink features advanced soundproofing technology. Enjoy the peace and quiet while you wash dishes. The innovative sloped bottom ensures water flows smoothly down the drain, preventing clogs and messy buildup. Additionally, we offer a variety of optional accessories to further customize your sink.